Welcome back to And This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put music on your featured photos on Facebook. Let's begin. Now the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Facebook, click the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding music to your featured photos makes a lot of things interesting and engaging for viewers because for one, it can attract more attention and keep people on your profile longer. Music can make your photos more memorable when people associate a particular song with their photos. Of course, it can create a lasting impression because music helps set the tone for your featured photos. Now, as you can see, I don't have my featured photos here yet, so I'm gonna do that right now. But what I'm going to do is click on this option right here. Could also do this in the mobile device, and I'm gonna add new. All right. Okay, so for now, I'm gonna add this feature right here. Now, it's a lot easier to add music on your featured photos using your mobile device, so I'm gonna switch over to that now. Okay, so once you are here on your mobile device, when you open the Facebook app, I need you to create a story first because you can't add music to your featured photos on your profile yet, but what we can do is create a story now. Okay, so once we have created the story, of course, all we gotta do is put the music. Right now, I'm gonna use $1 million right here. Now, once you are here, all you're gonna do is share, and you can limit the sharing activity to your friends, or if you don't want anything, just put a boundary. All right, click on share. Now, as you can see, the story with the music has been added to your featured photos right here. Right, it's featured and it has music on it with photos. Now you can click on the manage if you wanted more information about that, or if you wanted to tweak more settings. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.